Question 1. A line used to represent the outline of a building or visible edges is 2. The correct answer is continuous thick line. Question 2. Hidden lines or edges are represented by 2. The correct answer is dashed thin line, short dashes. Question 3. Center lines and locus lines are represented by 2. The correct answer is chain thin line, long dash, dot. Question 4. Dimension lines and extension lines are drawn as 2. The correct answer is continuous thin lines. Question 5. A break line for a long boundary or road is represented by 2. The correct answer is continuous thin freehand line or zigzag line. Question 6. The standard symbol for brickwork in section is 2. The correct answer is single hatching lines at 45 degrees. Question 7. The standard symbol for concrete in section is 2. The correct answer is triangles and dots. Question 8. The standard symbol for earth divided by ground in section is 2. The correct answer is hatching lines in groups of 3 or irregular hatching. Question 9. The standard symbol for wood divided by timber in cross-section is 2. The correct answer is concentric rings or annual rings pattern. Question 10. Glass in elevation is represented by 2. The correct answer is parallel thin lines shaded or streaks. Question 11. North direction is usually indicated on which corner of the drawing sheet? The correct answer is top right. Question 12. The principle of planning, aspect, refers to 2. The correct answer is arrangement of doors divided by windows to receive natural light and air. Question 13. The principle of planning, prospect, refers to 2. The correct answer is the view from the outside or the impression the house creates. Question 14. For a kitchen, the desirable aspect in the northern hemisphere is 2. The correct answer is east or northeast morning sun. Question 15. For a bedroom, the desirable aspect is usually 2. The correct answer is southeast or southwest to receive breeze and winter sun. Question 16. The principle of grouping means 2. The correct answer is arranging rooms according to their function and relationship. Question 17. The principle of privacy can be achieved by 2. The correct answer is proper grouping of rooms and positioning of doors, lobby divided by passage. Question 18. The principle of circulation refers to 2. The correct answer is horizontal and vertical movement, access passages, stairs. Question 19. Ideally, the circulation area in a residential building should not exceed 2. The correct answer is 10% to 15% of plinth area. Question 20. The principle of roominess creates a feeling of space by 2. The correct answer is using light colors and minimizing furniture clutter. Question 21. Floor area ratio (FAR) or floor space index (FSI) is defined as 2. The correct answer is total covered area of all floors divided by plot area. Question 22. Building bylaws are enforced by 2. The correct answer is local municipal authority divided by town planning authority. Question 23. The minimum area of a habitable room, as per National Building Code, should be 2. The correct answer is 9.5 square meters. Question 24. The minimum width of a habitable room should be 2. The correct answer is 2.4 meters. Question 25. The minimum height of a habitable room, National Building Code, is 2. The correct answer is 2.75 meters. Question 26. Minimum area for a kitchen without dining is 2. The correct answer is 5.0 square meters. Question 27. Minimum area for a bathroom and water closet combined is 2. The correct answer is 2.8 square meters. Question 28. Minimum width of a staircase in a residential building should be 2. The correct answer is 0.9 meters 90 centimeters. Question 29. The open space left in the front, rear, and sides of a building is called 2. The correct answer is setback. Question 30. Setbacks are provided for 2. The correct answer is ventilation, lighting, and future road widening. Question 31. A plan is a horizontal section cut at 2. The correct answer is sill level, window level. Question 32. An elevation shows 2. The correct answer is the exterior view of the building front, side, or rear. Question 33. A section is drawn to show 2. The correct answer is vertical details, heights, and materials of components. Question 34. Site plan shows 2. The correct answer is position of building on the plot, boundaries, north line, and services. Question 35. Location plan key plan shows 2. The correct answer is location of the plot relative to important landmarks divided by roads in the city. Question 36. Foundation plan shows 2. The correct answer is layout of trenches for foundation and column positions. Question 37. Working drawings are 2. The correct answer is detailed drawings with dimensions for execution on site. Question 38. A schedule of openings contains details of 2. The correct answer is doors, windows, and ventilators size, type, quantity. Question 39. Scale usually used for building plans municipal submission is 2. The correct answer is 1 to 100. Question 40. Scale used for site plan is typically 2. The correct answer is 1 to 500 or 1 to 200. Question 41. Plinth area is 2. The correct answer is built-up covered area measured at floor level. Question 42. Carpet area is 2. The correct answer is useful area of rooms plinth area minus wall thickness. Question 43. Built-up area includes 2. The correct answer is carpet area plus wall thickness plus balconies divided by corridors. Question 44. Super built-up area includes 2. The correct answer is built-up area plus share of common areas, stairs, lift, lobby. Question 45. The term sill refers to 2. The correct answer is the bottom horizontal member of a window opening. Question 46. The term lintel refers to 2. The correct answer is the beam spanning across the top of an opening. Question 47. Jambs are 2. The correct answer is the vertical sides of a door or window opening. Question 48. Reveal is 2. The correct answer is the external vertical surface of the jamb. Question 49. Chajat sunshade is provided to 2. The correct answer is protect opening from rain and sun. Question 50. Parapet wall is constructed to. The correct answer is on the edge of the roof terrace for safety. Question 51. Coping is provided on 2. The correct answer is top of the parapet wall to drain water. Question 52. The standard height of a door is usually 2. The correct answer is 2.1 meters. Question 53. The standard height of a windowsill from floor is usually 2. The correct answer is 0.75 meters to 0.9 meters. Question 54. Ventilators are typically provided at a height of 2. The correct answer is just below the ceiling divided by beam bottom. Question 55. Perspective drawing is a method of representing 2. The correct answer is 3D objects on a 2D surface as they appear to the eye. Question 56. Vanishing point in perspective drawing is 2. The correct answer is the point where parallel lines appear to converge. Question 57. Station point in perspective drawing is 2. The correct answer is the position of the observer's eye. Question 58. Picture plane is 2. The correct answer is the imaginary vertical plane between observer and object. Question 59. Horizon line represents 2. The correct answer is the eye level of the observer. Question 60. 1 point perspective has 2. The correct answer is 1 vanishing point. Question 61. 2 point perspective is used when 2. The correct answer is the object is viewed from an angle corner view. Question 62. Bird's eye view is a perspective view from 2. The correct answer is a high vantage point looking down. Question 63. Worm's eye view is a perspective view from 2. The correct answer is a low vantage point looking up. Question 64. Orthographic projection represents object using 2. The correct answer is parallel lines perpendicular to the projection plane. Question 65. Plan is an orthographic projection on 2. The correct answer is horizontal plane top view. Question 66. Elevation is an orthographic projection on 2. The correct answer is vertical plane front divided by side view. Question 67. Isometric drawing shows 2. The correct answer is 3D view with axis at 30 degrees to horizontal. Question 68. In isometric projection, the lengths are 2. The correct answer is foreshortened approximately 0.82 times true length. Question 69. Axonometric projection includes 2. The correct answer is isometric, dimetric, and trimetric. Question 70. Riser in a staircase is 2. The correct answer is the vertical member of the step. Question 71. Tread in a staircase is 2. The correct answer is the horizontal upper surface of the step. Question 72. Nosing is 2. The correct answer is the projecting part of the tread beyond the riser. Question 73. Minimum headroom in a staircase is 2. The correct answer is 2.1 meters. Question 74. The angle of a staircase pitch should be between 2. The correct answer is 25 degrees and 40 degrees. Question 75. Dog-legged staircase consists of 2. The correct answer is 2 flights running in opposite directions with no well. Question 76. Open newel staircase has 2. The correct answer is a well or opening between the flights. Question 77. Windows are 2. The correct answer is tapering steps used for changing direction. Question 78. For a residential building, the standard size of a riser is 2. The correct answer is 150 mm to 180 mm. Question 79. For a residential building, the standard size of a tread is 2. The correct answer is 250 mm to 300 mm. Question 80. The formula 2R plus T, riser plus tread, should equal approximately 2. The correct answer is 60 centimeters, 600 millimeters. Question 81. Orientation of a building aims to 2. The correct answer is maximize natural comfort, sun, wind, rain protection. Question 82. Sun path diagram helps in 2. The correct answer is designing shading devices, charges, and orientation. Question 83. A mezzanine floor is 2. The correct answer is an intermediate floor between two main floors. Question 84. Minimum height of a mezzanine floor is 2. The correct answer is 2.1 meters. Question 85. Loft is a 2. The correct answer is storage space provided above door divided by lintel level. Question 86. Plinth height is usually kept to. The correct answer is 45 centimeters to 60 centimeters above ground level. Question 87. Damp-proof course DPC, thickness is 2. The correct answer is 2.5 centimeters to 4 centimeters. Question 88. DPC is not provided at 2. The correct answer is door openings. Question 89. Minimum width of a landing in a staircase should be 2. The correct answer is equal to width of the stair flight. Question 90. Handrail height is generally 2. The correct answer is 75 centimeters to 85 centimeters from the nosing. Question 91. Sanitary drawings show 2. The correct answer is layout of water supply and drainage pipes. Question 92. Electrical drawings show 2. The correct answer is position of lights, fans, switches, and wiring. Question 93. The symbol phi diameter, phi in drawings usually denotes 2. The correct answer is diameter of reinforcing bar. Question 94. The symbol at the spacing of in reinforcement detailing means 2. The correct answer is spacing center to center. Question 95. Scale 1 to 50 means 2. The correct answer is 1 unit on drawing equals 50 units on ground. Question 96. A master plan represents 2. The correct answer is long-term planning of a city or zone. Question 97. Coverage is defined as 2. The correct answer is percentage of plot area covered by the building footprint. Question 98. Light plane refers to 2. The correct answer is the angle of light entering a room, usually 63.5 degrees. Question 99. Minimum width of a street for a residential plot is typically 2. The correct answer is 9 meters to 12 meters. Question 100. The term garage implies 2. The correct answer is building for parking vehicles.